Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well and staying safe. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my top 3 tips on what you can do if you currently own an event business and are struggling during coronavirus. I know it's not the ideal time. I personally feel for you. I also own an event business specializing in promotional models, hostesses, and know exactly how difficult this situation is. It's not just stopped, it's come to a halt and everything is just mad right now. So I completely respect that. So I hope these tips will help. Now, my first tip is first educate people. There's so many things you can do as an event organizer, a CEO, a manager to be able to help people right now. Firstly, think about all the people that have got, birthdays and are having to stay in at home. How can you make it special for them? Holding a mini event at home, obviously with people that are safe around them, of course. But you have to turn this around and think of really creative ways to make people still be enjoying events on a much smaller scale at home. Creative ideas for how they can make a birthday celebration really special. So just be creative and share your knowledge. I mean, as an event organizer, you probably heard stories, you've got tips, you've got creative ways. Share these on LinkedIn, on Instagram, and just try and get out there and help people celebrate in the best way possible and make every moment special. My second tip is utilize technology. Now, I know that at the minute you're probably pretty down and thinking, right, I don't want to do anything. The events are finished. What have I got to do? You've got so much to do. Firstly, look into different technology that's available and up your service game. If you're still using tickets that you're sending by email, can you do it by an app? What are the technologies available that you can use for your events that makes everything streamlined and easier? Do your research and improve your services. And my third and final tip is never stop working on the marketing side. Now, everything from search engine optimization, SEO, which helps you get rank 1 in Google, to social media as well. If you haven't got an account, create an account. If you're not on LinkedIn, get on LinkedIn. If you haven't got a business page on Facebook, get one. Now is the time to share your work, share your event pictures, do throwbacks, and make people realize what they can do to celebrate once all this is over, which will be top of their mind once we can obviously not we can get together and live normally again. So don't be down, just get prepped and things will be fine. All right, everyone, I look forward to seeing you all soon and stay safe. Bye bye.